Hey guys, it's Dr. Mike. Did you know that nearly 70% of men admit to ignoring bodily warning signs? That's insane. We're going to go over 14 common symptoms you should never ignore. We'll break down what each symptom could mean, why it's important to pay attention, and when it's time to call your doctor. So stick around, because what you're about to learn could potentially save your life. Okay, first up, unexplained weight loss. It's something that can be quite alarming if it happens to you. If you're suddenly dropping pounds without major changes to your diet or exercise, that's a big deal. This isn't just about losing a few pounds here and there, it's about a noticeable and significant change. I'm talking about a significant drop in weight, like 5% of your body weight or more within 6 months. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, losing around 7.5 pounds or more without trying is concerning. This could be a sign of something serious like a hormonal imbalance, thyroid issues, or even cancer. These conditions can affect your metabolism and overall health in ways that might not be immediately obvious. Don't brush it off as finally getting in shape. While weight loss can be a goal for many, unexplained weight loss is different and should not be ignored. Unexplained weight loss is your body trying to tell you something's not right. It could be an early warning sign of a more serious underlying condition. Get it checked out. Early detection is key when it comes to many health conditions. The sooner you identify the cause, the better your chances of effective treatment. Schedule an appointment with your doctor to determine the cause and address the issue. Your health is too important to ignore these signs. Take action and get the help you need. Next up, let's talk about fever. A persistent fever that won't quit is a different story. If your temperature stays elevated for more than a few days, it could be a sign of a serious condition. We're talking about hidden infections, autoimmune disorders, or even cancer. Get yourself to a doctor to figure out what's causing it. Feeling winded after a workout is one thing, but if you're experiencing shortness of breath during everyday activities, that's a major red flag. This can be a sign of respiratory issues like asthma or heart conditions like heart failure. Shortness of breath can quickly escalate into a life-threatening situation. Seek medical attention immediately if you're constantly gasping for air. Chapter 4. Changes in bowel habits. Let's talk about your poop. Paying attention to your bowel movements can be crucial for spotting potential health issues. Significant or persistent changes in bowel habits shouldn't be ignored. This includes diarrhea, constipation, blood in your stool, or black tarry stools. These changes could signal digestive problems or serious conditions like colon cancer. Don't be embarrassed to talk to your doctor about it. Chapter 5. Persistent cough. We all get a cough now and then. It's a common reflex that helps clear our airways of irritants. But if you've got a cough that won't quit, especially if it's accompanied by fever, chest pain, or shortness of breath, it's important to get it checked out by a healthcare professional. A persistent cough could be a sign of various conditions such as a respiratory infection, allergies, asthma, or even acid reflux. Each of these conditions requires different treatments and management strategies. In some cases, it could be a sign of something more serious, like lung cancer. Early detection is crucial for better outcomes, so don't delay seeking medical advice. If you've got a cough that's hanging around longer than it should, don't ignore it. Persistent coughing can significantly impact your quality of life and may indicate an underlying health issue that needs attention. Head to your doctor and get it diagnosed. Timely intervention can make a big difference in managing your health effectively. Remember, it's always better to be safe and get a professional opinion. Chapter 6. Chest pain. If you're experiencing discomfort, pressure, tightness, or pain in your chest, especially if it radiates to your arms, jaw, or back, call 911 immediately. This could be a sign of a serious condition that requires urgent medical attention. Chest pain is a major warning sign of a heart attack. It's crucial to recognize the symptoms early and act fast. Don't try to tough it out or wait to see if it gets better. Time is of the essence, and delaying treatment can have serious consequences. Chest pain can also be caused by heartburn, muscle strain, or anxiety. These conditions can mimic the symptoms of a heart attack, making it difficult to determine the cause without professional help. but it's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to your heart. Seeking medical advice promptly can save your life. Get to the emergency room ASAP and let the professionals determine the cause. They have the tools and expertise to diagnose and treat the problem effectively. Remember, your heart health is paramount, and taking swift action can make all the difference. Chapter 7. Severe headaches. If you're suddenly hit with a headache that feels like a lightning bolt, don't ignore it. This type of severe headache could be a sign of a brain aneurysm. Other red flags include headaches with fever, stiff neck, confusion, vision changes, or numbness. Seek immediate medical attention for severe headaches. Chapter 8. Vision changes. Any sudden or significant changes to your eyesight should never be ignored. Blurred vision, double vision, floaters, flashes of light, or loss of peripheral vision need immediate attention. These changes could be signs of eye conditions or even a stroke. Early diagnosis and treatment can make a world of difference in preserving your eyesight. Chapter 9. Unexplained fatigue. Feeling tired after a long day is normal, but if you're constantly exhausted, even after rest, something's not right. This could be a sign of anemia, thyroid disorders, heart disease, sleep apnea, or depression. Talk to your doctor to get to the root of the problem. Chapter 10. Skin changes. Pay attention to any unusual or persistent changes in your skin. New moles, changes in existing moles, sores that don't heal, or persistent rashes could be warning signs of skin cancer. Early detection is key when it comes to skin cancer. Schedule an appointment with a dermatologist if you notice any suspicious changes. Chapter 11. Blood in urine or stool. Blood in your urine or stool is a major red flag. Blood in urine can be a sign of a urinary tract infection, kidney stones, or bladder cancer. Blood in stool can indicate digestive issues or colorectal cancer. Seeing your doctor promptly can help determine the cause and ensure appropriate treatment. Chapter 12. Pain is your body's way of telling you something is wrong. Persistent or worsening pain that lasts for more than a few days should never be ignored. Seek medical advice to determine the cause and receive appropriate treatment. Don't suffer in silence. Talk to your doctor. Chapter 13. Swelling in your legs, ankles, or feet can be a sign of various conditions. Persistent or sudden swelling should never be ignored. Edema can be caused by fluid retention, injury, or serious conditions like heart failure or DVT. If you experience sudden swelling in one leg with pain or warmth, seek medical attention immediately. Chapter 14. Difficulty swallowing or dysphagia is another symptom you should never ignore. Pain, discomfort, or a sensation of food getting stuck when swallowing can be signs of GERD, esophageal spasms, or esophageal cancer. It can also indicate neurological disorders like a stroke or Parkinson's disease. Seek medical advice if you experience persistent difficulty swallowing. So there you have it, guys. We've covered 14 common health symptoms you should never ignore. Your body is constantly communicating with you, and these symptoms are its way of telling you something might be off. Ignoring these warning signs can have serious consequences, so listen to your body and seek medical attention when needed. Have you ever experienced any of these symptoms? Share your experiences in the comments below. Stay healthy, guys.